failed. Lights are all over the dash. Just another one going down the hill. Let's see what year it is. 02. Polished wheels. All the clear coats failed. I think it was a Florida car. Runs good. Decent tires on it, but the dash is a Christmas tree. Doesn't sound too bad. Holds oil pressure. Well, it's pegged out, but take it for a quick drive. All the gears engaged. Almost worth buying and driving around for a year. Door hinges are creaky. Clusters burned out. That, you know, just normal high mileage or old C5 stuff. Even when they're not high mileage, it only takes a few years, and then they get all grody. Yeah, runs good. Oh wait, I gotta do this down and over. Headlights, wiper switch works, headlights work. Ooh, one does, the other one does not go up and down. We'll check that out. Rear view mirror, visors are jacked, painted roof, but it sounds good. Alright, as always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.